Hello friends, welcome to our channel Speak Kashmiri Easily. In this lesson, you will learn the basic construction of sentences in the past tense in Kashmiri language. We have used four verbs in this lesson: eat, walk, read, and watch. Eat in Kashmiri is khyon, walk in Kashmiri is pakun, read in Kashmiri is parun, and watch in Kashmiri is wuchun. Khyon, pakun, parun, wuchun. We have also used four nouns: breakfast, school, book, TV. Breakfast in Kashmiri nowadays is generally referred to as breakfast. School also is referred to as school. Book is kitaab and TV is also referred to as TV. So breakfast, school, kitaab and TV. And then finally, we have used pronouns I, you and in the third person. I in Kashmiri is b, you in Kashmiri is ts, and for third person pronouns we use three types: ye, ho and so. B, ts, ye, ho and so. Now let's look at these sentences. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Buchus 8 baje breakfast khewan. Buchus 8 baje breakfast khewan. I ate breakfast at 8 a.m. मैं खाओ breakfast 8 baje. मैं खाओ breakfast 8 baje. She walks to school every day. स्वच्छ हर दो स्कूल पैदल गच्छान. स्वच्छ हर दो स्कूल पैदल गच्छान. She walked to school every day. सौ ٲس हर दो स्कूल पैदल गच्छान. सौ ٲس हर दो स्कूल पैदल गच्छान. He reads a book before bed. सُہ چھُ شۄنٛگنہٕ برٛونٛٹھ کِتاب پران. سُہ چھُ شۄنٛگنہٕ برٛونٛٹھ کِتاب پران. He read a book before bed. تٔمۍ پٔر کِتاب شۄنٛگنہٕ برٛونٛٹھ. تٔمۍ پٔر کِتاب شۄنٛگنہٕ برٛونٛٹھ. And finally, we watch TV after dinner. أسۍ چھِ ڈِنرٕ پتہٕ ٹی وی وٕچھان. أسۍ چھِ ڈِنرٕ پتہٕ ٹی وی وٕچھان. We watched TV after dinner. اَسہِ وٕچھ ٹی وی ڈِنرٕ پتہٕ. اَسہِ وٕچھ ٹی وی ڈِنرٕ پتہٕ. Let's go through these sentences in Kashmiri once again. بہٕ چھُس 8 بجہِ breakfast کھٮ۪وان. Repeat after me. بہٕ چھُس 8 بجہِ breakfast کھٮ۪وان. مےٚ کھیوٚو breakfast 8 بجہِ. مےٚ کھیوٚو breakfast 8 بجہِ. سۄ چھِ ہر دۄہ سکوٗل پیدل گژھان. سۄ چھِ ہر دۄہ سکوٗل پیدل گژھان. سۄ ٲس ہر دۄہ سکوٗل پیدل گژھان. سۄ ٲس ہر دۄہ سکوٗل پیدل گژھان. سُہ چھُ شۄنٛگنہٕ برٛونٛٹھ کِتاب پران. سُہ چھُ شۄنٛگنہٕ برٛونٛٹھ کِتاب پران. تٔمۍ پٔر کِتاب شۄنٛگنہٕ برٛونٛٹھ. तम पर किताब शोंगन ब्रोंट अश छ डिनर पत टीवी वुचान अश छ डिनर पत टीवी वुचान Aise wuch टीवी डिनर पत Aise wuch टीवी डिनर पत That was it in this lesson. We will see you in the next one. Bye bye.